Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python tutorial, checking if a set contains an element. Introduction. Sets in Python are unordered collections of unique elements. Often, you may need to check if a particular element exists in a set. In this tutorial, we will explore different methods to determine if a set contains a specific element in Python, along with code examples. Method 1, using the in keyword. The in keyword in Python is a simple and concise way to check if an element is present in a set. Here's an example. Method 2, using the set.issuperset method. The issuperset method can be used to check if a set is a superset of another set. If the set contains the specified element, it will return true, otherwise, it will return false. Here's an example. Method 3, using the set.intersection method. The intersection method can be used to find the common elements between two sets. If the result is not an empty set, it means the element is present. Here's an example. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored different methods to check if a set contains a specific element in Python. The in keyword is often the simplest and most commonly used, but depending on your needs, the other methods can be valuable alternatives. Choose the method that best fits your use case and coding style. ChatGPT.